2021 Ford Escape SE all-wheel drive, only 27,000 miles. Hi everyone, it's Carter. I own Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. I am back with another uncut, unedited, unfiltered, off-the-cuff, what you see is what you get vehicle video. Nice, clean, low mileage trade here. Again, only 27,000 miles. In this part of the country, 60,000 miles is normal on 21. All-wheel drive, automatic, 1.5 liter, balance of factory warranty, 105-point inspection, fresh oil change. Yeah, you're not gonna. It's like a new car, only for a lot less money. It is your SE, so it's air, cruise, tilt, power windows, power locks. You got some safety stuff, the nice big touchscreen, push button start, aluminum wheels, but not overly fancy. Keeps the payment down, right? Again, it's nice and clean. You do have the balance of factory warranty. Speaking of warranty, our financing warranty. Like I said, these things are not cut are edited. It's been a long day, my friends. Anyway, it does have the balance of factory warranty. You can extend that in our finance office. Speaking of finance, get pre-approved at the AutoramaAuto.com. That is AutoramaAuto.com. When you're pre-approved, you're not gonna be here all day. When you're pre-approved, we can tell you the rate without you even coming in. We can tell you the payment, all that stuff. A lot of dealerships, they want to play the four square game with you, where they say, hey, here's your car, here's your trade, here's your cash, here's your payment, but they don't show you the rates or nothing like that. We don't do that. We just lay the chips on the table, and that's how they lie. The reason why we don't do that is my salespeople are not paid on profit. They're paid to sell you the vehicle. There's a huge difference. It doesn't sound like it, but 3 out of 4 dealers are paid on profit. Not us. Here, my salespeople are paid on moving the vehicle. So they're not here trying to get every little penny out of you. It's a totally different, low-pressure buying environment. Again, I'm tired. I don't edit these things. I don't cut these things. I'm out just going off, freewheeling. Only 100 people will see this, so... Anyway, backup cam, again, it is the SE, it is the all-wheel drive. It is a local trade. Let's talk about price. I know there's going to be dealers out there pricing them for less money than this. I know you're going to see advertised prices for less than this. Why? Because I have honest prices. I have the price you see is the price you pay, drive away. Did you hear me? The price you see is the price you pay, drive away. You can bring a check for that price and drive the vehicle away. A lot of dealerships hide their prices, or they hide their fees. So my competitors price this thing at $18,000. So you call them up and say, hey, what's the grand total? And they say, well, we don't give grand totals over the phone. You got to come in. Not us. What's the grand total? Oh, you want us to charge sales tax and license? Here's the grand total. Otherwise, you can bring a check for what the price you see on the windshield. Drive it away. It's super nice. It's super transparent. So let's recap. 2021 Ford Escape SE all-wheel drive, 27,000 miles, local trade, inspected, serviced, factory warranty, extendable warranty. My salespeople aren't paid on profit. We're the fastest around when you're pre-approved, like 15, 20 minutes. We don't have the hidden fees. We have the price you see is the price you pay, drive away. I call that the Autorama advantage. Come and join us, folks.